Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete chats or characters in Talkie Soulful AI. Let's get started. First, open the Talkie app. Swipe right to access the chat tab. Tap on chats at the top to view all the characters you've interacted with. Press and hold on the character you want to remove. Tap delete to remove the chat history with that character. This only deletes the chat, not the character itself. If you want to remove a character you created, just follow these steps. Tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner. Under My Talkies, select the character you want to delete. Tap on the character's profile or name at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Edit to modify the character. Scroll down and just above the Submit button, find the Public Talk option. Disable the public option to remove the character from public view. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.